Hey y'all, it's Taja. I'm so glad to be here, so glad to be back. If you are new here, welcome. I started this channel a while ago, initially based on natural hair, but time proved that I actually do not like doing my hair, which is why we are here at the Loc Journey. One of the reasons that I decided to do this is because I literally have done everything with my hair, every style that you could think of, perms to naturals, and now locks. My entire family, most of the women in my family have locks, which is pretty awesome. I always think that is one of the best things about us, aside from our creativity. I decided to do this because this is a journey that I wanted to start alone, on my own, and possibly be, be in control of it. I'm loving it so far. Today makes 9 days. I started on the 1st, 5 years ago, on January 1st. I started my natural journey, so here we are. I'm just gonna give y'all a sneak peek of what it looks like today. I tried to accessorize it, and I love the way it turned out. This journey is going awesome right now. If you have any questions about it, please feel free to jump in the comments and let your girl know what you're feeling, how your journey is going. If you're interested in doing this and you just don't know where to start, or you're scared, do it scared. This is what I'm here for. I'm starting the journey, and I want the people who want to do the same to flourish as well in their journey. So if you have any questions, please hop in the comments. That's what I'm here for. I want that. I want the interaction. So this is definitely just the introduction to let you guys know that, hey, this is my Loc journey. I'm going to be posting every week. I plan on delivering every day after this. Do you feel me? I am not playing. This journey is serious, it's fun, and I feel like it's important for not just me, but a lot of other people who have my same hair type, people who are on the fence about it. Yeah, so I'm enjoying it. You guys hit that subscribe button, that like button, share with your friends, people who you think may benefit from this information. And I'm looking forward to going on this journey with y'all. So if y'all are, please subscribe to your girl. Bye.